So friend, Apple has officially unveiled its much awaited iPhone 17 lineup on September 9. The latest generations of iPhone comprises 4 models: the standard iPhone 17, the ultra slim iPhone Air, the iPhone 17 Pro and the top-end iPhone 17 Pro Max. All 4 devices come with notable design and performance upgrades, including an improved display panel, camera setup and battery capacity. The iPhone 17 series is all set to hit shelves on September 19. However, if you don't want to wait, pre-orders are now open on Apple's online store and other partner stores. Here's everything you need to know about availability. The pre-orders for the iPhone 17 lineup started on September 12, and the customer can book their devices on the Apple online store, Apple Store and e-commerce platforms such as Amazon, Flipkart and Chroma. Additionally, Apple authorized resellers like Imaging and Unicorn are also accepting pre-bookings, and interested buyers can pre-book iPhone 17, iPhone Air, iPhone 17 Pro or iPhone 17 Pro Max on Apple's online store by simply signing in with their Apple ID, selecting the model, color and storage and completing payment online. On other platforms as well, buyers can simply tap on the pre-book option available against the respective iPhone 17 variant, choose the color and storage and complete payment online.